Hey everyone, hope you all are doing good and welcome to all of you in this video. Guys, today I'm here to explain you about good Western.com reviews, and in this video I'll help you know whether you should buy from this website or not. The citizens of United States are looking forward for the information related to the legitimacy of this particular site. Guys, if you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end because I'll share the way to get your money back. So stay tuned with us and let's get started. So this is the homepage of this website, guys, and it is an online portal that deals with multiple products including rechargeable mini wood cutting item and portable ice maker, or a rider service jack with the rapid, and a study room, bedroom, or you can say office, a 3 axis adjustable intelligent standing electronic desk. So they are offering these products, and apart from that, talking about the payment information of this particular site. So let's check out the payment info. So you can see at the bottom of the web page, PayPal is the only mode of payment that is available on this website. Now guys, talking about the shipping policy, let's check out the shipping policy of the site. And here is the shipping info. So they have mentioned that the time frame of an order delivery is divided into two parts, including processing time and shipping time. So guys, this was the only information that they have mentioned on this web page, but no exact delivery information is available on this web page, which is a negative sign. Now guys, before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. And let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this site as a scam or legit website. So this site is using a secure and valid HTTPS connection, which is a positive sign. But guys, when it comes to the domain information, it was only created on 26th of March 2021. So it means that guys, this site is only 9 days old and we can't claim the site legit on the basis of its domain age. Apart from that, it is only registered for 1 year only. So let's take a look at the company's information. So you can see know about this information is available on this web page, which is a negative sign. Now coming to the contact details, this is the contact us page, guys. They have provided suspicious contact details including email address. Apart from that, they have not provided the entire contact details including official address and contact number. Coming to the social media presence of the site, so the site has no social media presence at all, because these social media icons are not active and misleading. When you will click a particular social media icon, you will be redirected to the homepage of your particular account. So this factor can't be trusted, or this social media existence of this site doesn't exist, guys. Coming to the return policy, you need to check the refund policy page. So talking about the returns, they have only mentioned 14 days of return policy after the receipt of the product. So guys, do comment about your experience regarding return or refund of the product. And when it comes to the good Western.com reviews, no reviews are available about the site on the internet and on the official website as well, which is again a negative sign, and you can see a biggest characteristic of a suspicious or scam website. Apart from that, the trust index score of this site, which is 2%, is really very bad, and it shows that this website is not much popular online, because guys, this is a newly launched website, so the site can't be trusted on the basis of these factors. Apart from that, we have found that the website is ranked 0 among millions of other websites according to Alexa Traffic Rank. So guys, based on the entire loopholes including absence of complete contact details or suspicious contact details, zero social media presence, a low traffic score, poor design of website, unavailability of company's information, zero security measures, and low popularity of the site led to believers that it is a suspicious site or possibly a scam. If you have money related problem, then you can get your money back by checking our links in the description area. Do comment your thought about this video, guys, because we read all your comments over every video. So guys, hit the like button, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel to get more notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.